Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2.4, that is our mineral wealth. As you all know that minerals are useful substances that occur naturally in the earth. They are valuable gifts of nature to us. Minerals, the thing or the substance which we get from nature, like iron, coal, petroleum, magnesium and mica are some of the important minerals found in India. According to states, other types of minerals we get. हर स्टेट पे अलग अलग मिनरल्स हमें नेचर के द्वारा मिलता है. So let's start the chapter. Any substance that occurs naturally in the earth is called minerals. For example, gold, silver, copper, coal and iron are minerals. We have to dig them out from the earth. The place from where a mineral is dug out is called mine. Mines, coal mines होते हैं जिससे हमको different types of minerals मिलता है. Minerals are valuable gift of nature to us. They are the wealth of a nation. All progress depends on minerals. Think what we do if there is no coal, iron or petroleum. Let's learn about some important minerals found in our country. Minerals plays an important role in the lifestyle of human being. Different types of minerals plays different roles, and we have to conserve the minerals because nowadays too much wastage of minerals is going on. If we won't conserve now, it will be a big problem for us in the future. Come to iron. Iron, it is a very useful metal. It is used to manufacture all kinds of vehicles, machines, engines, railway lines and coaches. It is used to make many household articles like knives, scissors, pots and pans. It is also used in building houses, dams, bridges and factories. Iron, like other metals, is not found in pure form. It is mixed with soil, sand and pieces of rock. Iron in this form is called iron ore. Here is the picture. You can see how they are making iron from the iron ore. Usually what happens, from the mountain side, iron ore, it comes from the mountain, under the mountain side, by blasting the big rocks. So iron ores come out. After that, from that iron ore, the iron is taken out for the use. What the iron we use in domestic purposes, to come for that state, the iron has to go through various types of process. Coal mine picture is here, how from the coal mine we get the mineral. India has a rich store of iron ore. It is found in large quantities in Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Goa also. We have big iron and steel plant in Bokaro, Bhilai, Durgapur, Raulkela and Jamshedpur. In Bhilai we have Bhilai steel plant. It's also a big steel plant, and this steel plant is started by the Russians in our Bhilai. Come to coal. It is a very useful mineral. It is called black diamond. It is used to produce heat and energy in many houses. It is used for cooking food. It is used to run factories and trains. It is also used for producing electricity. Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have large coal mines. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh also have many mines. Coal, a product that is used by 90% of the public in India, and mainly in the poor regions, people use this to make the food. You all seen the railway train, that goods train that we say at Mal Gadi. In that koila, you have seen koila, na? That is the koila that is used and that's a very useful mineral. When come to petroleum, petroleum, it is a mineral oil found deep under the ground or the sea. It is a big source of energy. It is so useful that it is called liquid gold. We get kerosene, petroleum, diesel, spirit, bitumen, and many other things from it. Area where oil is found are called oil fields. We have oil fields in Assam and Gujarat. A big oil field has been found under the sea near Mumbai. It is known as Mumbai High. Efforts are being made to find oil at other places along the shore. Oil that is found under the ground or the sea is not refined. It is called crude oil. It has to be refined before use. We have big oil refineries at Mumbai, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Cochin, Baroda, Mathura, Barwani, Haldia, and Guwahati. Come to natural gas. It is a type of gas that occurs naturally underground. It is usually found in oil fields, but sometimes it is found in its own also. When there is only little natural gas in an oil field, it is burned off. If there is plenty, it is piped away and used for cooking, heating, and producing electricity. When come to natural gas, you all have seen in your house gas cylinder. That is a type of natural gas that is filled up from the factory and it is used in your home. In our country, we use through cylinder, but when we go to different types of foreign countries, they got a single big tank from where they supply the gas to the home. And even if you want to see an example, आप एक एग्जांपल देखना चाहते हैं कि एक बड़े टैंक से कैसे छोटे छोटे पाइप में सप्लाई होती है, तो यू कैन सी इन स्कूल केमिस्ट्री लैब देयर आर बिग सिलेंडर. सिंगल सिलेंडर कैन गिव द सप्लाई ऑफ गैस टू ईच एंड एवरी पाइप. जितने भी आपके पाइप के सोर्स हैं सब में गैस की सप्लाई बराबर होती है. लाइक इन योर होम, आपके घर पे जो गैस का सिलेंडर है वो सिंगल सिलेंडर है, बट वो आपके दोनों गैस के स्टोव, आपके घर में 2 होंगे, 3 होंगे, आजकल 6 आ गए, 6 और 6 गैस स्टोव में सिंगल सप्लाई पे वो वर्क करता है, ताकि आप कोई भी स्टोव को ऑन करेंगे तो आपका लाइट ऑन होगा, गैस ऑन होगा और आपका काम हो जाएगा. एक्सप्लेनिंग अबाउट पेट्रोलियम. पेट्रोलियम आप जानते हैं, आपके 2 व्हीलर्स 4 व्हीलर्स सब में पेट्रोल चलता है. बिना पेट्रोल के आपकी गाड़ी नहीं चलेगी, क्योंकि द इंजन व्हाट इज़ मेड इज़ डिपेंडेबल ऑन पेट्रोल. पेट्रोल डीजल जब तक नहीं होगा आपकी गाड़ी नहीं बढ़ेगी. एंड द ऑयल व्हाट वी गॉट फ्रॉम ग्राउंड लेवल और सी लेवल, दैट ऑयल इज़ purity. We can say that difference of purity process. It has to go from different types of purity process, which gives different types of variety of oil. Like a single oil, when we dig from the ground or when we dig from the sea, it's not in the form of petrol or diesel. It's a form of oil. That oil, when we purify in the difference of different process, then different types of oil like kerosene, petrol, diesel, spirit, this types of oil differs according to their process, and we get the oil to use. When we think of coal, Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal are the chief producer of oil. Petroleum is found in Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai High also, as we have done here, and we have limited reserve of minerals, so we must use them wisely. Like we are standing in crossing and we are using our vehicle without no use. Like हम क्रॉसिंग में रेड लाइट सिग्नल में खड़े हैं और हमारी गाड़ी ऑन है, पेट्रोल जा रहा है. दिस इज वेस्टेज. आपको इस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए, ऐसे वेस्टेज ना हो, तभी हम लंबे समय तक अपने मिनरल्स को यूज़ कर सकेंगे. So in next video we will continue the chapter. Thank you. Hello children, a very good morning to you all. Continuing with the chapter number 2.4, minerals our mineral wealth. In last class, we have learned about different types of mineral like iron, coal, petroleum, natural gas. This all type of mineral we have learned, and I have explained you what is mineral and how we get mineral. Mineral is the substance that naturally we get from earth. The place from where a mineral is dug out is called a mine. So today we will continue the chapter manganese. It is used in the making of steel, chemical and glass. We have large deposits of this mineral in Odisha, Mikka. It is used to manufacture medicine and electric goods. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. Jharkhand is the leading producer of mica in India. India has rich reserves of many other minerals like zinc, limestone and bauxite. We also have mines of gold, silver and diamond. The Kolar gold mines in Karnataka are well known. Manganese and mica are also the two types of minerals. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are playing an important role in the prosperity of India because minerals somewhere helps to establish and make the economy stronger in different areas. But there is one thing that must be kept in mind, though we have huge stores of minerals. बहुत minerals हमारे country में हैं. They are not endless. They can't last forever. कभी भी ख़त्म हो सकता है. मिनरल्स को जितना बचा के यूज़ करेंगे उतना फ्यूचर में काम आएगा. वेस्ट करेंगे फ्यूचर के लिए कुछ नहीं बचेगा. A quantity of mineral once used is exhausted. We can't create it again. So we must be very careful while using our mineral health. All wasteful use of minerals must be stopped. There are some source of energy that can never get exhausted. They are the sun, the wind and water. We should turn more and more to this source of energy that our mineral wealth can last longer. Solar energy. You have learned about solar energy. It's a machine, or we can say it's a device which convert the solar energy or solar electricity to our domestic electricity that can be used in our home, in our near to place. Here is some points to remember. These all points you already covered in the chapter. The conclusion says that our India is a very beautiful country, a very economical country. It gives all types of minerals. Different states have different types of minerals, coal mines. We just have to conserve the minerals and use it. If we will waste the minerals, then it will be won't long last for our next generation. It will get over. So children, we have completed chapter 2.4. On Thursday I will give the notes. Just complete the notes, and as you all get in unit number 1 the difficult words after each chapter, here in unit 2, as we will complete the chapters. We got total 7 chapters in unit number 2. So as we complete unit number 2, the difficult words of unit 2 means the combination of 7 chapters, I give them together. Okay, thank you.